vary from island group to island group. We now move to the Dodecanese Islands in the Eastern Aegean and the island of Tilos. The dance, Irini, Pusun Tupurno, which translates to, Irene, where were you in the morning? The ladies dancing are her best friends and basically the bridal party. And the song talks about asking, where was Irene the night before? Couldn't find her, trying to understand where she is the day of her wedding. We tell our stories and events through music, song, and dance. And this is one, somewhat of a humorous dance in a way from the storyline, but it's a very beautiful, specific method in which the ladies dance. Irini.